Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn the story of a lonely girl who is teased by classmates in class. Because she is upset and unnerved due to certain problems at home, she is unable to do any task well. The story tells us what happens next. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. I got ready and went to school. In the first period, our class teacher who taught us English told us to take out our composition notebooks. I took out the mathematics notebook by mistake. I replaced it quickly, but the teacher, perhaps, had kept her gaze fixed on me. She shouted, "Come here with your books, Siley." I obeyed her, but her angry looks made my legs tremble, and when I reached her chair, the notebook fell on her feet. Some girls laughed loudly. The teacher thought that I had dropped the notebook on purpose. She stared at me with all-devouring look. "Go and stand near your seat," she yelled. I kept standing, punished for the whole period. The next was history class and my favorite subject. The teacher had asked us to memorize the causes and effects of Battle of Panipat. I was well prepared. He began testing all of us one by one. When my turn came, I went blank. The teacher gave me a stern stare while I stood there stiff, still, with my head hanging down in shame. Mama and Papa continued their never-ending tips. Papa used every opportunity to express his annoyance. Mama, on her part, did not allow any such occasion to slip without turning it into a vociferous quarrel. The quarrel was between the two, but the punishment inevitably descended on the third one, that is me, at school. Wherever and whenever I heard raised voices, I felt as if Mama and Papa were quarreling. Sometimes, even in the midst of silence, Mama's scream came purging through my ears, and wherever I heard Mama's high-pitched yells, my legs quivered. One day, I was coming down the school stairs. Somebody from the top gave a frantic scream. I fell and came trembling down about 7 steps. My elbows and knees were badly bruised. My new frock was torn at the seams. When I reached home, Mama shouted, "I am sick of you. When will you stop making me pay through my nose for such extravagant losses?" Mother seized me by the arm, gave me a good jerk, and seated me on the bed. She fetched an antiseptic lotion and applied it to my elbow and knees, but did not hug me. Within me lingered a yearning that she could hold me and console me. Even if she had given me just a sympathetic pat, my smarting limbs would have been soothed. My younger brother was close by. As Mama walked away to the kitchen, he came and sat beside me. He placed his little hand on my arm and whispered, "Are you in great pain?" I hugged him tight and started crying again. I used to walk cautiously, yet I would often stumble. One day, the class monitress announced, "We will call her Slippery." Others sleeps on wet land. Siley manages to sleep even on dry land. That provided the other girls of the class new scope for fun. They teased me with new title every day. Soon, a verse was composed on my honor. I lived in perpetual fear of everyone, the girls, the teachers, the young and the old. When I was in class, I dare not move out, and when I was outside, I was afraid of re-entering the class. Nor could I muster the courage to speak to anyone.